Samsung has announced its new Galaxy M35 5G phone in the M series. Through the video, we will learn about all the specifications and contents of the box, and in the end we will learn, so follow us to the end and let's get to the details. Welcome my friends and sisters again. Let's start first with normal specifications. Design and dimensions. The back of the phone, the front is glass and the side frame is plastic. The phone comes with a weight of 222 grams. The thickness is 9.1 millimeters. Samsung Galaxy M35 supports 2 SIM cards for 5G. The phone supports the fingerprint on the power button, and supports face unlock facial recognition. It supports accelerometer, proximity, compass and gyroscope. It also supports NFC technology and OTG file transfer. It also supports photo, video and document editor. As for the Android 14 operating system with a One UI 6.1 interface. Mobile colors: dark blue, and light blue, and gray. Key specifications. First, the battery. It comes with a capacity of 6,000 mAh and supports 25-watt fast wired charging, and the Type-C charging port. RAM and internal and external memory. The phone comes with a storage space of 256 GB with 8 GB RAM. RAM is automatically doubled and increased through software. The phone supports the installation of a memory card up to 1 TB. Screen specifications. The screen comes from a 6.6-inch Super AMOLED with a full HD pixel quality with a screen refresh rate of 120 Hz, the brightness is 1000 nits, the pixel density is 390 pixels per inch, and supports night mode and eye protection. The colors of the screen are great, and its performance is very great. Processor. As for the processor in the Galaxy M35, Samsung Exynos 1380 octa-core 5nm manufacturing technology. The graphics processor or the Mali G68 graphics card. Good processor performance, especially in heavy games with high graphics. Cameras. Triple lens rear with LED flash. The first lens is 50 megapixel with a 1.8 aperture and supports WA optical stabilizer. The second lens is 8 megapixel with 2.2 aperture for ultra-wide photography. The third lens is 2 megapixel with 2.4 aperture for macro photography to zoom in on fine objects. The rear cameras offer very high performance in terms of quality and colors. They also support HDR and panorama modes and shooting videos in 4K quality with a capture rate of 30 and 60 frames per second. As for the front camera, it has a resolution of 13 megapixel with an aperture of 2.2. It supports shooting 4K videos with a resolution of 2160 pixels with a capture rate of 30 frames per second. Great front camera performance. Summary. To know if the phone is worth buying or not? Will it offer value for price or not? The processor is great and powerful in any use, especially in heavy games. The AMOLED screen is of high quality. Its performance is fast and smooth thanks to the 120 Hz refresh rate, high quality and some features that make the screen provide strong performance. The rear cameras are of high quality and consistent colors and support shooting videos in 4K quality, making the image highly detailed and crystal clear. The front camera also offers excellent performance. The battery is powerful and lasts for a long time in all uses. On the other hand, the phone is complete and integrated in any use whatever. The contents of the phone box. Phone. Charger head. USB Type-C cable. User guide. Metal pin. Warranty. Some markets may have the case empty of the charger head. Priced. The price of the phone is for the 8 GB RAM and 256 GB version at about $275, and this is the world price. Note that the price may vary by increase or decrease depending on the country or markets. By the way, the phone was released in the Brazilian markets. At the price, we will have finished the video. I hope you liked it. Do not skimp on support, like the video, follow us and do the bell to receive everything new in mobile world.